Yeah! I'm not talking about magic. I'm talking about something real. The very first Smart LifeCollar, which is going to prevent you from drowning under any circumstances. And I mean any circumstances. If you're unconscious, if you are immobile, if you surpass your breath holding test, whatever. We have invested thousands of hours on this Smart LifeCollar. The most important thing about Wuanap is his brain, which is this motherboard, and the first thing we had to do is to collect a lot of data in the sea, in the pool, doing many different things, like getting unconscious, like not getting unconscious, like getting mobile, like everything. After analyzing all the data, we noticed that every person drowns the same way. Every person has a center of gravity which is most the same.